Hi everyone, my name is Niyo, vainqueur, and today we're touring this amazing apartment we find in Kimironko, Kigali, Rwanda. So as we keep on walking here, this way takes you to the apartment. As we get to this walkway, we have these beautiful stairs that brings you to your apartment where you will be staying at. We keep on walking. Here we are on the second floor. It has this beautiful art piece that we have in your apartment. As we keep going, this walkway takes you to your apartment where you will be staying at. As you get in this amazing, beautiful living room, we have this TV screen attached to the wall. I love this wooden pattern slats partner attached to the wall. And as you can see, we have this beautiful, amazing couch, colorful and very comfortable. As you can see, we have these beautiful lamps attached to the wall, nice post lights. And we have this amazing chandelier attached to the ceiling and a beautiful art piece. As you keep on going to this walkway, we have this beautiful glass sliding door that takes you out to your balcony. Amazing space available for you, so you can even throw a party at night. So we have this beautiful chair where you can sit with your family or your friends, have a drink. This balcony keeps on going. It is huge, great space. I can see people throwing a great nice party here at night or to show the music video. So as we keep on walking to this spacious balcony, this balcony takes you to your beautiful kitchen, which has an amazing view too. We have these beautiful wooden cabinets where you can keep your cups, all your kitchen appliances. We have a microwave, your fridge, a washing machine, a cooking top, have your vent where all the smoke comes out. Or we have this white granite countertop. Let me try to open these drawers. You can see you have all the appliances here you may need as a family. All you want in your house, all the appliances. As you leave from your kitchen, you have this walkway that takes you to this beautiful dining table. I love how simplistic this dining table is. Have this nice art piece attached to the wall, nice chandelier above. As you leave your dining table, let me take you to your beautiful, nice bedroom. As you can see, we have this beautiful, nice queen-size bed. We have both cabinets on both sides. We have this beautiful closet attached to the wall. As we finish this guest room, so let me take you to the primary bedroom where you will be sleeping with your spouse or your partner. As you can see, we have this beautiful queen-size bed. We have these cabinets on both sides, and this way takes you out to the balcony. You have this amazing sliding doors, glasses that takes you outside to your balcony. As you can see, we have great natural breathtaking view that you will be spending with your spouse or your friends whenever you come to this beautiful apartment. So let me take you to the shower room. Let me take you to this beautiful closet we have here. I like the way they attach this mirror, so you don't need to worry about attaching your mirror to the wall. So let me take you to your powder room. So as you can see, we have this rain head above, this waterproof shower box, your toilet, floating vanity. We have this beautiful mirror design attached to the wall, your lights. Alright everyone, that's it for the tour. From this spacious living room to the outdoors balcony that brings you back to the kitchen, fully equipped, and everything you may need in this apartment. We got 2 bedrooms where we will stay with your friends and your partner. Nice, elegant bathroom. As you kept this far on this video, please let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss out at the next episode. See you next time.